Hey there. Today we're looking at the 14-inch Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Aura Edition. 14IPH11. It's a compact, powerful, and easy-to-service machine. To remove the bottom plate, you have to undo just 4 Torx head screws. Use a lever tool to pop the area around the hinge cover. Doing this should loosen up half of the panel. I'm in a bit of a rush, so I'll pop the rest loose through the speaker cutouts. If you don't want to risk damaging anything, use a plastic tool to pry the rest of the cover off. This machine is equipped with a 70 watt-hour battery. To remove it, pull the connector to the left and undo the 5 screws that secure the unit to the base. That capacity gives you enough juice for almost 8 hours of 4K YouTube video playback. That's a respectable result. For storage, you get just a single M.2 slot that supports the shorter 2242 Gen 4 SSDs. The system NVMe drive is cooled by a thermal pad underneath. The memory is soldered. Pretty standard stuff for most Panther Lake-based laptops. You get a choice of 16 or 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X, 7,467 RAM. The Wi-Fi 7 card is also soldered down to the motherboard. The cooling looks pretty good for an IGPU-only machine. It sports a pair of fans, 2 decently long heat pipes, 1 large top-mounted heatsink, and a heat spreader on top of the CPU. Let's remove the thermal system. Pull down the fan connector, then untangle the cables around the fan housings. The rest is easy. You just have to undo 3 screws holding the fan assembly and 4 more around the processor. Note that the fans can be removed separately, which is pretty handy if you just want to clean them without pulling out the entire cooling. Carefully pry up the thermal system with a lever tool. This reveals the underside of the heat pipes as well as the Panther Lake processor and the soldered memory above it. Check out our full review at techpowerup.com.